Not every legend costs a fortune. Some just need a little love and a full tank of gas. Let's uncover 10 classic cars under $10,000 that still turn heads today. 1. 1968 Ford Fairlane, the family legacy, $7,000. This 1968 Ford Fairlane carries more than just vintage steel. It carries family history. Bought brand new by the owner's great-uncle, then passed down through generations, this car has been loved and maintained for over half a century. Under the hood, the 289 cubic inch V8 still runs smoothly after a fresh tune-up and carburetor rebuilt. The body shows only light age marks, nothing that overshadows its originality. The transmission shifts fine, but it may need a small modulator valve adjustment. Overall, it's a solid driver that could easily be restored into a showpiece. Cars like this remind us that real classics aren't just found, they're preserved by families who never let go of the keys. 2. 1963 AMC Rambler 660 Classic, a cruiser with character, $7,500. The 1963 Rambler 660 Classic is a car built for people who appreciate simplicity and comfort. It's powered by a V8 with power steering and dual exhaust, a smooth and confident setup for its time. The interior has been tastefully redone, new seats, door panels, and headliner, yet it keeps its original charm. Sure, it has a small power steering line leak, but nothing major. The car still runs great and drives regularly. It's an affordable way to step into the world of vintage ownership, offering reliability and retro style in one clean package. 3. 1969 Oldsmobile Delta 88, power meets elegance, $8,000. If you want a mix of power and comfort, this 1969 Oldsmobile Delta 88 delivers both effortlessly. With a 455 big block V8 under the hood, this full-size cruiser has the kind of torque that defined late 60s American luxury. It comes equipped with power windows and a telescopic steering wheel, high-end features for its era. Yes, it has a few small issues like a transmission leak and carburetor wear, but the body is solid and the car is mechanically honest. This Delta 88 isn't about racing, it's about enjoying the smooth, confident ride of a true American highway car.
4. 1963 Chevrolet Nova, small body, big power, $1,234. The 1963 Chevy Nova is a prime example of how compact cars can be transformed into street machines. Originally designed as a small family sedan, this particular Nova has been reborn with serious performance parts: a 434 cubic inch small block engine, a 4-link rear suspension, and a Cohen transmission. That combination turns this light, simple car into a brutal performer, one that can easily hold its own against much newer builds. The 4-link setup gives it strong rear traction, ideal for drag racing or high-speed cruising. Chevy Novas have always been popular among hot rodders because they're easy to modify, light, and full of personality. This one, with its custom powertrain, sits right in the sweet spot. Vintage look, modern heart. It's proof that not all great classics need perfect paint or big budgets. Sometimes they just need passion and creativity under the hood. 5. 1967 Chevrolet Impala, the unfinished legend, $8,500. Few cars define 1960 Chevrolet design quite like the 1967 Impala Fastback. It's wide, elegant, and has that unmistakable silhouette that fans of the Supernatural TV series know well. This one has a 283 V8 engine paired with the classic Powerglide transmission, a reliable combo used across many GM cars in the 60s. The body has been repainted years ago with some clear coat peeling, but the structure underneath remains impressively solid. The owner started an engine bay restoration but didn't finish reinstalling the motor. All parts are included, just waiting for the next caretaker to put it back together. With only small rust spots on the fender and behind the rear tire, it's a dream base for a mild or full restoration. The Impala is more than a car. It's an icon of American streets. Whether you rebuild it to drive or display, it promises one thing: timeless style that never fades. 6. 1963 Chevrolet Classic, The Quiet Survivor, $4,500. Sometimes the most underrated classics are the ones that never got famous. The 1963 Chevrolet Classic is one of those hidden gems, a car that embodies the everyday reliability of early 60s America. With only 34,000 miles, this example has spent most of its life protected rather than pushed. It still carries its 5 original rims, now paired with 4 brand new tires, and features a freshly rebuilt carburetor to keep the engine breathing easily. The owner simply hasn't had time to finish working on it, leaving it as a near original survivor waiting for its next chapter. Cars like this often appeal to purists who prefer authenticity over heavy restoration, preserving the car's true voice instead of rewriting it. In a world full of overbuilt show cars, this modest red Chevrolet stands out by staying genuine. 7. 1970 Cadillac Eldorado, the bold luxury pioneer, $5,000. The 1970 Cadillac Eldorado was a turning point, a luxury coupe with muscle car power under the hood. Powered by a massive 8.2-liter big block V8, it delivered smooth yet commanding performance even by today's standards. This particular Eldorado has been semi-restored with over $2,000 in parts, all documented by receipts. It runs, drives, and stops as it should, remarkable for a car over 50 years old. As one of the first front-wheel drive American coupes, it gave drivers impressive handling for such a large body, blending innovation with classic Cadillac comfort. Power seats, windows, and locks still function perfectly, proof of GM's engineering quality during its golden era. The paint is aged and rough, but the frame remains solid and rust-free, a key factor for longevity. The 1970 Eldorado represents the end of an era when American luxury still meant raw displacement and chrome confidence.
8. 1968 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, The Forgotten Hero, $5,000. The 1968 Chevy Impala might not get as much attention as its two-door or convertible siblings, but the sedan version has its own quiet appeal. This one, showing just 60,000 miles, still runs and drives, though it's clearly ready for a full restoration. It comes with a new carburetor and fuel pump, meaning the fundamentals of the engine are sound. For many enthusiasts, that's the ideal starting point, a solid mechanical base to rebuild the car's looks and feel from the ground up. The Impala of this era was known for its durability and easy-to-maintain small-block engines, making it one of the most accessible classics to restore today. There's something beautiful about a car that's honest about its age. Not perfect, not flashy, but filled with potential. With a little time and care, this Impala could easily become a dependable weekend cruiser once again. 9. 1965 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, Cadillac DeVille, $7,000. The 1965 Cadillac DeVille Coupe captures the essence of American luxury at its peak: huge presence, smooth power, and elegance in motion. Under the hood lies a big V8, and this particular car has already had most of its important maintenance done. A new radiator, new fuel pump, new gas tank, and fresh transmission lines. Even the smaller touches, a new electronic distributor and updated radio, show thoughtful attention to blending old-school character with modern reliability. Underneath, the chassis is solid and clean, making it an excellent candidate for long-term ownership. This is the kind of car you don't rush. You glide down the road, the long hood stretching ahead, the world slowing down around you. For many collectors, the DeVille isn't just a luxury car. It's a reminder of when Cadillac stood for craftsmanship, silence, and status earned through engineering. 10. 1960 Chevrolet Biscayne, the honest working-class hero, $8,750. The 1960 Chevrolet Biscayne represents the other side of American motoring. Not flashy or expensive, but honest and durable. Powered by a 235 cubic inch inline 6 paired with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, this Biscayne was built for drivers who valued practicality over prestige. This particular car runs and drives great, with a new carburetor, starter, and distributor, plus fully functional brakes. The body panels are original with almost no rust and impressively no Bondo or filler anywhere. That kind of originality is rare today, especially on a 4-door model that was once just everyday transportation. Now it stands as a piece of authentic Americana, a working-class hero that survived decades of change without losing its soul. Driving a car like this isn't about showing off. It's about appreciating the simplicity and craftsmanship of a time when built to last actually meant something. Every scratch, every mile, it's history you can still drive. Which one would you choose to bring back to life? Drop your favorite in the comments and keep the classics alive.